Hi guys, how are we all doing? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to some brand new music. Now, a couple of months ago we took a look at a band called Viscera, and I was totally digging the track, totally fucking fell in love with that band. Well, they're back. They are motherfucking back. They have just dropped a new track called Hammers and Nails, comes out of Unique Leader Records, literally premiered 15 hours ago. I can't wait to get stuck into this. If it's anything like the one I heard from them the first time, then we're in for a fucking treat, people. We really are. So, yeah, it is the official music video as far as I can see. It is. Like I say, comes out of Unique Leader Records, so solid fucking channel for the music to come out over there. Let us get these headphones on. I'm seriously, guys, prepare your fucking eardrums because last time you took a look at these guys, they fucking slapped. So, here we go. Bit of fucking advert.
Don't worry.
I'll just mute that so I don't get done for fucking copyright. There we go. Hammers and Nails. Unmute. That would help, Chris. What have you got for us? Halloweeny spooky shit going on from the off. Come on, boys. What have you got for us? You brutal bastards. Nah. Fucking glorious, man. Yeah. Little cheeky kiss from the drummer there. It's fucking relentless, man. Makes you want to fucking swat guard gnomes area. Like fucking, there's a gnome twatty. There's a gnome twatty. There's a gnome twatty. Fucking drummer, man. Fucking glorious, man. Go to Pornhub, just under hardcore, it says Viscera. Oh, they're still fucking going. Let me just reach into that spice cupboard and put the whole fucking lot in. Show me on this doll where that band touches you. Fucking everywhere. It's where it touches you. Oh my god. Solid. Absolutely fucking solid track. I love the first one from these guys. It featured someone. Was it the dude from Brojob? I think it was the dude from Brojob these featured last time. But this time, just the band on their own. Fucking hell, man. Viscera, hammer and nails. Literally want to hammer and nails into a fucking garden gnome. Just, there's a garden gnome there. Twat it. Fucking why? Why not? I hate gnomes. Why are gnomes a thing? They're just horrible little midget bastards with beards that go, just going fishing, just having a picnic, just getting fucking twatted. There you go. Oh, I fucking hate them. I don't know why that's a thing. I don't know why. I don't know why that's a thing. Fucking hell. It's the gnome's fault. Fucking just twat the gnomes. I hate them. They're not even... What is the point in a gnome? What's their existence for? Why would you want to have some midget hobbit bastard in your front garden with a fucking stupid grey beard with a fishing rod going? I don't fucking get it. They do all sorts. There's building gnomes now with a saw. Who invented gnomes? Why are they even a thing? Why are we even talking about gnomes anyway? Just... Whew. There seems to be becoming a fucking thing on this channel where there's a rant about different random subjects at the end of every video, and I just don't know where it's going. Gnomes. Fuck them off. Ban them. Put gnomes into lockdown. Co-gnome 19. Fuck them. Just get rid. Ban them. They're responsible. Maybe they're carriers. I don't know. But there we go, guys. Viscera, Hammer and Nails. Fucking solid track. Absolutely solid track coming out of Unique Leader Records for you all there. And before we go... Not gnomes, el patrones. There we go. I don't even know if that's the right way of saying it. Is that the right way? Does anyone speak Spanish? Let me know if that's the right way of saying it. Probably not. But yeah, take care, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.